Friends, naglalaro ba kayo dati ng yung Pokemon o kaya yung iba-ibang role-playing games dati ba? Napansin nyo ba na if, ayan, pag zero na yung HP, zero na yung health points ng Pokemon natin, di ba dadalhin na lang natin sila sa Pokemon Center para mabuhayan ulit. Alright? O kaya bibigyan natin yung revive na potion ba yun or parang candy. Okay? Para mabuhayan nga sila ulit, di ba? And pwede na silang ulit lumaban. Right? Hindi naman natin parang hindi naman natin or hindi naman sila namamatay technically, hindi naman sila na parang alam mo yun na nawawala sa Pokemon world. Okay, hindi naman sila hindi mo na sila biniburial, okay? Pag zero na yung HP, punta lang tayo sa Pokemon Center and boom, 100 out of 100 na yung HP nila, right? And siguro sa word din yun eh. Sa parang how I, worded my realization. Mabuhayan and health points, okay. Doon ko na-realize mga friends, no, na health is life mga friends, di ba? Friends, kung tayo ay may sakit, tayo ay bedridden, okay, tayo ay nasa hospital na sobrang injured, na we're almost unconscious, tayo ba ay maka-spend time with loved ones, okay? Work on our dreams, go see the world, travel to different places. Ano ba? Manligaw, find love and all that, okay? Magagawa ba natin if tayo ay, our health is in poor condition, mga friends? Di ba hindi? Okay. Sorry kung maging harsh yung realization or sasabihin ko next. Pero, if our health is in poor condition, we're good as dying. Alright? Like I said, sorry kung medyo harsh, okay? Pero, ayun. If hindi in good condition, yung kalusugan natin, how are we be able to enjoy life, okay? And, enjoy what life and the world has to offer us. Right? Oh, and, ano ba? Na-realize ko rin, na yung mga life-threatening na mga sakit, yung mga near-death na mga aksidente nga mga friends, no? Yan, of course naman natin na pwede tayo mamatay doon, right? Pero meron rin namang chance for survival, right? Then again, kung makasurvive tayo, right? Ang question ngayon is, magsusurvive ba yung mga bulsa natin, okay? Magsusurvive ba yung mga savings accounts natin, right? Alam naman natin na kung baon tayo sa utang, okay, o kaya nag-deplete ng matindi yung money natin due to health concerns, mahirap mabuhayan, okay? Nobody really wants that, and we've seen so many a sad story, okay, of such cases. Alright mga friends, kaya of course, pangalagaan natin yung kalusugan natin, okay? Let's keep it up in good shape, okay? Tapos, of course, hindi naman talaga may iwasin mga aksidente and sakit. Kaya, meron tayong financial backup tulad ng life and health insurance, mga friends, no? So, yun. Ayun mga friends, health is life, mga friends, okay? Huwag natin kalimutan yun. Kahit na consciously buhay pa tayo, okay? Pero kung tayo ay halos mamatay-matay na, okay, na wala na talaga, almost deads, semi-dead, okay? Consider na lang natin yun as dead, mga friends. Alright. So I hope I'm making sense here, mga friends. I hope I am, trying, kasi, I hope I am enlightening you a bit, okay? So, mga friends, so always, like, comment, okay, follow, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if kung gusto niyo mag-set ng appointment, o kaya naman, makita ng sample proposal ba? Send me a DM, okay? Message me sa IG or FB. And let me know ano gusto nyo or ano hinahanap nyo, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching, my friends, and see you on the next one.